immigration pathway with a $1 million fee. President Donald Trump on Tuesday officially launched his Gold Card visa, a new immigration pathway that will allow foreigners to pay $1 million as with visa application. Perhaps companies use $1,000 million for sponsor foreign worker the one to bring to the US. Very excitingly, for me and the fourth country, we have just launched the Trump Gold Card. The president said it was a memorable event. The official website Trump Card look launched Wednesday afternoon. It includes a link of the possible application promising US residents in short time. For $1,000 million processing fee after getting approval, a contribution of $1 million received US residency in record time to return longer. The official website brings. How long will the corporate process take? Once the application materials are submitted, the process will take weeks and will include an interview. According to the site, according to the State Department, may apply depending on applicant. An applicant will need to attend visa interview and submit an additional document in a timely manner. New website says. The state notes a successful applicant will receive lawful apartment resident status on the AB1 or AB2 visa holder. Employment-based visa award to individuals who have nationally or exceptional abilities. Trump administration's Platinum Card. The website also reveals that a Trump Platinum Card is coming soon and invites foreign nationals to add their names to a waiting list for $5 million, and administration promised that eligible applicants will be able to spend up to 270 days in the United States without being subject to US tax and non-US income. Foreign nationals can sign up now and secure their place in the waiting list for the Trump Platinum Card. When launched and one upon receipt of a $1,000 million US processing fee and $1,000 million contribution, they will have the ability to spend up to 270 days in the United States without being subject to US tax income. Foreign nationals can sign up now and secure their place in waiting list for the Trump Platinum Card. When launched, we will earn a receipt for a $1,000 stage processing. Official British traditional immigration process. British traditional immigration process. Trump latest immigration crackdown prompted by the shooting to National Guard members in Washington, D.C. has called on the tighten every legal and illegal foreign trying to the U.S. in recent weeks. With the president announced the Gold Card program in February, Trump said at the time it would offer a citizenship pathway for wealthy foreigners in exchange for a $1 million fee. He later signed an executive order in September directing the pathways creation with the same pricing arrangement released Wednesday. Commerce Secretary Howard Marks said in February, the visa will modify the government $5 immigrant investor visa program, which allow foreign investors to come money into a U.S. project that create jobs and then apply for visa for immigrants in the U.S. It will modify the HB5 agreement, he said. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi and I working with together for the $5 million. We will get a license from the Department of Commerce. Their local make investment. Immigration law expected to see ending the EB-5 program or significant changes to what require Congress to act. Despite persistent question about how they will implement, Trump suggests millions of gold cars could be sold, and Ludwig said February the Supreme Court raised $1 trillion to pay down international debt. Ludwig had previously criticized the national green card process that allows immigrants to live and work permanently in the U.S., arguing it forces the country to check in the bottom quartile of immigrants. We are going to help extraordinary people at the very top of Nixon. Lazarus Hayes, the intercontinental GM that had net a big $50 million into ours. Imagine you are a low-wage worker in India who is offered a day employment as an extra in Bollywood film your role to go a cash point to withdraw some money. In 2018, several Medina states showed they were accepting a big part in movie. During the fight where the being freed in solving money moves collecting cash in ambition bank heist. The raid took place over a weekend in August in 2018 and centered on Cosmos Cooperative Bank, which has its headquarters in Pune. When a quiet Saturday afternoon, staff in bank head office suddenly received a string of alarming messages. They were from the car payment company Visa in the United States. Holding it closed, thousands of demands waiting for alert withdrawals for ATM by people apparently using Cosmos bank cards. But when the Cosmos team checks their own system, they are not normal transactions. About half an hour later, just to be safe, Warning: this article contains spoilers. The article contains spoilers for the Lazarus Heights podcast. It was an insidious crime is characterized by its grand scale and multiple sanction. Criminals had plundered ATMs in 2000 in 20 in different countries, including the United States, the UK, and the United Arab Emirates in Russia. It all happened in the space of just 2 hours and 13 minutes on the extraordinarily global phase mode of crime. Eventually, an investigation will trace its origins back to a shoddy group of hackers who had pulled off a succession of previous things seemingly at BS and the North Korean state. But before they knew the wider picture, investigators at the Master Cybercrime units were amazed to see CCTV footage of dozens of men walking up to a series of cash points, inserting bank cards and stuffing the notes into bags. We are not aware of a money mule network like this, said in-gang registries led the investigation. One gang hiding handler was monitoring the ATM transaction in real time on a laptop. King says CCTV footage showed that whenever a money mule he tried to keep some of the cash for himself. The handler was supported and gave the hard slap, using the CCTV footage as well as mobile phone data from the areas near the ATM. And the Indian investigation were able to arrest 60 suspects in the weeks after the raid. Last known is the person awaiting trial, since state business agents weren't hired crooks. And among those arrested were the water, the writer, and the driver and shoemaker. And others had a primary degree. They were gentle people, he said. And despite this, he thinks that by the time the raid happened, and even the men caught as guys knew what they were doing. But did they know who they were working for? Investigators believe that the secretive and isolated state of North Korea was behind the heist. North Korea is one of the poorest nations in the world, and a significant portion of its limited resources goes toward the building of nuclear weapons and ballistic missiles, activity that is banned by UN Security Council. As a result, the UN has placed the country under a sanction, making it highly sensitive and since coming to power 11 years ago. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has overseen an unprecedented campaign of weapon testing, including 4 nuclear tests and several proactive bids to test launch international missiles. And U.S. authorities believe North Korean government is using a group of elite hackers to break into banks and financial institutions around the world to steal the money and needs to keep the economy afloat and finance the weapons and program. The hackers nicknamed the Lazarus Group are believed to belong to a unit directed by North Korea's powerful military intelligence agency and Renaissance General Bureau. Cybersecurity expert named hired after the biblical figure Lazarus, who comes back from the dead because their figure is the inside computer network. They are most impossible to kill off.